What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock, guys. I did one video in the morning talking about how things were looking like back then, and even though Tesla did sell off for the rest of the day, however, compared to the rest of the market where you see Nvidia $30 down, AMD doing a nosedive of 8% down today, 14, which is $15 down, QQQ SPY reversing their way, look at it, creating these engulfing bearish candles, marking the top is SPY as well. Tesla still did better compared to all that sell-off that led to the market, going down. Now, as in the morning, I talked about that we are receiving a really good candle after finding some bounces and support of the double bottom confirmation into a confirmation zone. And in the morning, we were above above $175, which was our one of the very important acting resistance level. And getting above that, if we would have closed above it, that was really good to see. And also of 20 days moving average, if we would have closed above that, that would have been awesome. Yes, we closed lower than both of these areas. However, as you will see in this video, on Tesla, things are still looking good to me. And I'll talk about that in this video as we go through it. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm only providing my opinion. That's all, nothing more than that. So you're already aware about this position that I have opened, and I added some more to my position yesterday when my swing bot gave me a buy position. So let's take a quick look at that. So this is where the swing bot gave me a buy position. I added more to my already existing long position, which I did take some partial profits out up here. You can see with the, again, I used my bot as a reference. I took some out back then as well. I added more here now into my already ongoing long position. My stop loss is in this area down here, right? Like in this region, and the bottom is like just around below here. If it goes, I'm fully out of my stop loss, but so far things been working in my favor. Now I did take some size, I did sized out some, and that was when we were above 175 and we broke this level. I again took some size out down at the next candle break of 170, just because I want to size out. Not that I'm seeing that Tesla is bearish, but it's just that why not size out if right now market is selling off. I just wanted to limit a little bit of the risk, but I'm still holding around right now because I added more here after even taking profits. I'm still holding around my original size of 60% position now after reloading and even sizing out again. So I'm still holding a lot of position here. Now I also want to show you the day trading bot from today, and it also performed really great. Like you can see so this is the last 30 days of data, and this really came out really neat, like all profit targets on Tesla up here. This was a great move on that as well on the front of day trading bot. But anyways, let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about the couple of things as for what in the price action I'm seeing, and what tomorrow is the possibility Tesla may do, and how this thing could be traded if there's sentiment shift or structure shift, if that's going to happen to the downside or it will remain to the upside. So there's this trend line that has formed, and it's right now finding a pivot over there, right? This is due to these we had these two pivots already formed, and Tesla came back lower, but it's still finding support at that trend line. So as long as Tesla stays above this tomorrow and gets above 200 hours moving average, we have a chance again of getting close to 175. If we can close the week at 175, that's a great win for us as bulls. I will be worried on Tesla, and if Tesla tomorrow breaks 169 and 17 cents tomorrow, yes, this uptrend that it has formed lately again, this will be negated, and below 169 it's a break of structure again on this, and you can expect then downside. It's unfortunate that when the market was going up, Tesla was crawling its way. When Tesla started going up, then market started selling off. So, but anyways, Tesla still did better than all of the stocks. You can see it still closed 1.62% profitable, well, in green compared to other big cap stock. Only Meta is positive, but Tesla is still ahead in the percent value. Well, all of this turned from green to red today. Market at one point was $4 up and it closed $6 down. So today's range on QQQ is going to be massive. Let me show you. $11 range today. You can see down here in my dashboard. That's quite a lot on a thing like QQQ, and similarly on SPY. Today's range is $11 when its average range is only shy of $4. So that's quite a steep move, right? And these moves gonna continue to the downside, in my opinion. Check out my other videos if you want to know more about QQQ and SPY. But coming back on Tesla here, yeah, look, it's still Tesla is still, look, all the bad news is out, right? All the bad news on Tesla is out of the way, and Tesla after that is still showing this buying momentum. That's good to see. Now we definitely need the support of, Tesla sure can make its way alone as well, but it can make its way alone downside when the market was going up. Why not? It can make its way up when market is going down. We have to treat it as a separate stock. So yes, tomorrow continuation to the upside. If Tesla can break above this, well, first of all, it has to stay above this trend line, and also if it can break above 200 hours moving average, it can close higher up there. And yeah, if we start to lose this trend line, then I would start getting worried, and then downside play might come. And then if we lose 169, that's a break of structure to the downside. So that's where a little bit of the problem might exist. So, but anyways, let's take a look at 4 hours. Yeah, so 4 hours, yeah, seems again, nothing different than what I already talked about on the hourly interval. It's just that the same thing, 175, if we would have closed above this level, we would have cleared out a lot of these strong resistance levels on Tesla already. So, but it is what it is. Now let's go to the daily interval again. What I also want to see this week is, so tomorrow is Friday, last week of this, trading week. If we can close above 20 days moving average tomorrow, that's going to be a good start for the next week. So that's another important sign we want to see tomorrow. So let's see what goes on. I'm still optimistic on Tesla. If things turns around, I have my stop loss zone area already, and I'm still net profitable on this buying position that I have taken, and that's why I like to size in, size out. And yesterday load in using my swing bot was also great, and then I sized out some today. And yeah, so but that's that for this video, guys. If you need access to my tools that I saw in this video, I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots that you already saw in this video, and then this indicator that I use on my day-to-day purposes, universal indicator, this dashboard and levels and all of that, and Wall Street alerts. Links to all those tools are in the description below of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.